Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Jean-Pierre from Upper Cervical Institute of Florida. Recently, I had a colleague of mine posted that she had a patient choose surgery over chiropractic care. And the number one reason was because the surgery was free. So this got me thinking a little bit. I did some research and it turns out the most common surgical intervention for back problem are laminectomy and spinal fusion. And it's certainly not free. It's $50,000 and can cost upwards to $150,000 for one surgery. Your insurance may pay 10% and or 40%, which it means that you pay $200 to anywhere from $2,000 out of pocket. But the time that it takes to recover, you can't work, and there's some physical therapy involved. And it turns out only 2% of surgical intervention falls in the must-cut category, which means that you absolutely needed the surgery. 98% of it, there's plenty of things that you could have done to prevent the surgery. And the complication from it, they even have a syndrome called failed back syndrome, that after surgery, which may come from scar tissue, fibrosis, depression, anxiety, sleeplessness, and deconditioning of the muscle, and joint hypermobility or even joint hypomobility, spinal nerve, post-operative pressure, and the list goes on and on and on. So while certainly your insurance may pay for spinal surgery, typically majority of those patients end up in my office because the cause of the problem was never addressed. You went for the quick fix and got the disc or the spine fused, but in the long run, until you change the biomechanical issues, the postural issues, you still end up in the office because the pain is far greater than when you start. So the moral of the story is, really do your research. I'm not against back surgery. I'm not against surgery at all, but I'm against having that as the primary focus or your first line of defense. Get your spine checked, get your nervous system functioning properly, remove interference, and 98% of the time, 99% of the time, the body will heal itself. I'm Dr. Jean-Pierre from Upper Cervical Institute of Florida. Check out my blog at uci-fl.com or listen to the radio show every Thursday night from 5 to 6 p.m. on 1470 AM or on healyourselfradio.com. Thank you.